Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a Dollar Tree haul. These are crafty items that I purchased at Dollar Tree. I wanted to try them out. I've been seeing them on the internet and I just here on YouTube, and I wanted to give them a try. So first I want to show you, these are the tools that I've been using since I purchased my first Cricut, I believe. I received these tools. So I've been using these for several years now. I was so excited when I purchased my Cricut Joy, I believe, and I got a set of new tools. But the problem with these tools is the scraper. The scraper is made for a right-handed person because when you hold it, you have your tip here, so you're able to scrape up items. But for a lefty like me, it's hard to scrape up because you don't have that point. It's just kind of rounded off here. So I never did open this. I just continued to use my older tools. So lo and behold, Dollar Tree came out with their version. So I picked up the scraper and I picked up the craft picker. And I picked up the scraper. This was called a spatula, the other one. So this is the scraper. So these are Dollar Tree's answer to the Cricut supplies. And I think they feel pretty good. They feel substantial. The picker is really sharp. You have to be careful of that, of course. And then the spatula is not as wide, but it feels like it will work just fine. And the scraper too. So I decided to pick those up. So I also purchased some of the Crafter Square double-sided tape, and didn't know what to expect from this. So was it terrible? Yes, just kind of like score tape. Does it adhere very well? Let's check it out. And then we pull that over, put it down. I don't know, it doesn't seem as strong because that's pulling up, but it is pulling up the cardstock. I don't know about that double-sided tape. I have to test that some more. And then I purchased some of the laser craft words, and this is happy birthday. I hadn't seen happy birthday. And then some birds. And then I also picked up celebrate. And then I picked up some rub-ons. And the rub-ons, they were okay. They kind of have a smell, and I'm very sensitive to items that have a smell, so I really didn't like that. But let me show you the card that I made with the rub-ons and the celebrate. So I just used some card from my cardstock, and then I put the rub-ons on. And it's okay. It's not really my style per se, but it's okay. And then I picked up some paper because, you know, you have to have paper to make a card. So I picked up the Dollar Tree's paper pack. I've seen this being hauled. I wouldn't waste your time on this. Just my opinion. You really don't get a variety of paper. This is, you get a piece of this, and it's a little larger than that. When you get it, I'll show you why mine is smaller. And then you get this textured piece. You get a couple of pieces of this silver. And then the rest is kind of like copy paper quality. Maybe this blue is a little thicker, but not much variety. And then you also get this glitter piece that gets glitter everywhere. I actually taped it up and then put it back in the envelope so I wouldn't get glitter anyway. So then I picked up, sorry for the noise, these little stickers here. And so I tried to make a card. I started making a card, and this is kind of the card front that I started with the sticker, and then I used a piece of that textured pink paper, and I also used this Elmer's Disappearing Purple spray adhesive, and it worked okay. It just sprays kind of splotchy, and you really need to have a lot of room to spray it out to get it on the item that you're trying to adhere. So I was using it on this strip here, and you know, I didn't have enough, like a splat box, I guess that's what they call it, to spray it in, so I didn't get glue all over. Now this sticker it will raise up, so I would use some additional glue that you have on it to help that stay down. And then last but not least, I picked up this Crafter's metallic marker, and let's see how it looks. Well, let me show you how it looks. I already seen it. It's a coppery color, the one I picked up, and it looks okay. It's kind of shiny. It's pretty. So I think that's worth $1. So that is my haul. I will have another haul coming up, so be sure to watch that one for additional Dollar Tree items that I used in my card making. If you are new to my channel, welcome. And if you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing and comment below and give me a thumbs up. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Be sure to check out the next video. Bye-bye.